Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of pet insurance? Pet insurance provides significant peace of mind and financial protection. Unexpected illnesses or accidents can lead to very high vet bills, sometimes many thousands of dollars. These possibly catastrophic events become far more manageable financially with pet insurance. Also, there are no in-network or out-of-network vets, so you can see any licensed vet of your choice. With only 3 main types of plans and many add-ons available, you can easily customize the policy to suit your needs. Are there any disadvantages of pet insurance? The premiums can be quite expensive, especially for older pets or breeds prone to genetic conditions. Some companies also steadily increase the premiums at the time of renewal to account for the age and health condition of your pet. In addition, there are waiting periods before the policy kicks in, and if there is any medical emergency during this time, the insurance will not cover it. Despite having insurance, pet owners have to first pay for the treatment and then go through the claims process to get their money reimbursed. But the biggest con is that pre-existing conditions are usually not covered. Should I buy pet insurance? Pet insurance is not a legal requirement. Deciding whether or not to buy pet insurance depends on your financial situation, your pet's health, and the premiums for insuring your pet. For example, if you wouldn't be able to cover an unexpected vet bill, pet insurance could be a good option. But if you have the ability to cover emergency bills on your own, you can choose to self-insure by setting aside an emergency fund for your pet. Usually, pet insurance makes the most sense for unexpected, serious health events that can run into thousands of dollars. So even if you go for pet insurance, choose one with the highest deductible you can afford to keep your monthly premiums low. Where can I buy pet insurance, and how much does it cost? You can buy pet insurance online directly from the insurance companies. The cost varies significantly based on factors like your pet's breed, gender, age, and location. The deductible, reimbursement rates, and annual limits also impact your premium. Plans with broader coverage and lower deductibles are typically more expensive, but on average, premiums for dogs are around $50 per month, and premiums for cats are around $30 per month. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.